Apple CEO Tim Cook announced during the company's quarterly earnings call on February 1st that Apple is working on new AI features to be revealed later this year. This announcement, reported by The Verge, highlights Apple's significant investment in generative AI. Cook's statement aligns with predictions of a major overhaul in iOS for iPhone, integrating generative AI at the operating system level. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman suggests that iOS 18 could be the biggest software update in iPhone history. Apple is reportedly exploring Gen AI features for Siri and the Messages app, enhancing capabilities like text summarization and suggestions. Additionally, other Apple apps such as Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes are expected to receive AI enhancements. The anticipated iOS 18, which is likely to feature these AI integrations, is expected to be announced at Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June. This video delves into Apple's ambitions and the potential impact of these upcoming features on the tech landscape. Apple's recent announcement by CEO Tim Cook about the company's venture into advanced AI features in 2023 has sparked widespread interest and speculation in the tech community. Highlighted by The Verge, Cook's emphasis on generative AI during the quarterly earnings call points to a significant shift in Apple's technological direction. This announcement aligns with predictions of a major revamp in iOS, especially with the integration of generative AI at the operating system level. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has indicated that iOS 18 could be one of the most transformative updates in the history of iPhone software, potentially ushering in a new era of mobile technology. Apple's exploration into Gen AI features is expected to enhance apps like Siri and Messages, offering capabilities such as advanced text summarization and intelligent suggestions. This AI integration is also anticipated to extend to other Apple platforms, potentially enriching apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes with AI functionalities. The anticipated unveiling of iOS 18 at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June is eagerly awaited by tech enthusiasts and industry observers. This video provides a comprehensive overview of Apple's AI advancements, exploring the potential impact of iOS 18 on Apple's ecosystem and the broader tech industry. Apple's recent announcement by CEO Tim Cook about the company's foray into advanced AI features in 2023 has generated significant buzz in the tech industry. As reported by The Verge, Cook's repeated mention of generative AI during the quarterly earnings call signals a major strategic shift towards embracing more sophisticated AI technologies. This development is in line with speculations of a substantial overhaul in iOS, particularly with the integration of generative AI at the operating system level. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has suggested that iOS 18 could be among the most significant updates in iPhone history, marking a new chapter in mobile technology. Apple's exploration into Gen AI features is poised to transform apps like Siri and Messages, introducing enhanced functionalities such as advanced text summarization and intelligent suggestions. Moreover, this AI integration is expected to extend to other Apple platforms, potentially upgrading apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes with AI-driven features. The expected announcement of iOS 18 at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June is highly anticipated. This video delves deeper into Apple's AI advancements, exploring the potential impact of iOS 18 on Apple's suite of applications and the wider tech industry. Apple's announcement, made by CEO Tim Cook, about the introduction of new AI features in 2023 has sparked a wave of excitement and speculation in the tech world. Highlighted by The Verge, Cook's mention of generative AI multiple times during the quarterly earnings call indicates a significant pivot towards more sophisticated AI technologies in Apple's roadmap. This announcement aligns with the growing speculations about a major overhaul in iOS, particularly with the integration of generative AI at the operating system level. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has indicated that iOS 18 could be one of the most groundbreaking updates in the history of iPhone software, potentially heralding a new era in mobile technology. Apple's exploration into Gen AI features is expected to revolutionize apps like Siri and Messages, bringing in advanced functionalities such as text summarization and intelligent suggestions. This AI integration is also likely to extend to other Apple platforms, enhancing apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes with AI capabilities. The anticipated announcement of iOS 18 at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June is eagerly awaited by tech enthusiasts and industry experts alike. This video provides an in-depth analysis of Apple's ambitions, exploring the potential transformations these new features could bring to Apple's ecosystem and the broader tech industry. Apple is gearing up for a major leap in AI technology, as CEO Tim Cook announced in the recent quarterly earnings call. This year, Apple plans to unveil groundbreaking AI features, a move that has been the subject of much anticipation and speculation. Highlighted by The Verge, Cook's emphasis on generative AI signals a significant shift in Apple's technological focus. Speculations about iOS 18 suggest it could be the most transformative update in iPhone history, integrating generative AI at the core of the operating system. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman indicates that this update is viewed within Apple as a monumental leap forward. The integration of Gen AI features is expected to revolutionize apps like Siri and Messages, offering enhanced functionalities such as advanced text summarization and smart suggestions. This AI infusion is also likely to extend to other Apple applications, including Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes, bringing a new dimension of intelligence and user interaction. The announcement of iOS 18, poised to showcase these AI advancements, is eagerly awaited at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June. This video delves deeper into Apple's AI evolution, exploring the potential impact of iOS 18's innovations on Apple's suite of applications and the tech industry at large. In a significant move, Apple CEO Tim Cook announced during the company's recent quarterly earnings call that Apple is set to unveil new AI features later this year. Highlighted in a report by The Verge, Cook's mention of generative AI several times indicates a major focus in Apple's future developments. Cook's statement confirms ongoing speculation about a substantial iOS overhaul, particularly with the integration of generative AI at the operating system level. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has hinted that iOS 18 could be the most significant update in the history of iPhone software, marking a new era of technological advancement. Apple's exploration into Gen AI features is expected to transform apps like Siri and Messages, introducing advanced capabilities such as text summarization and intelligent suggestions. This AI integration is also anticipated to extend to other Apple platforms, potentially enhancing apps like Apple Music, Pages, and Keynotes. The eagerly awaited iOS 18, which is poised to feature these groundbreaking AI integrations, is expected to be announced at Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference WWDC in June. This video provides an in-depth look at Apple's ambitions, exploring the potential transformations these new features could bring to Apple's ecosystem and the broader tech industry.